Hey, what's up, guys and gals? All you Hot Wheel lovers. Just got a few little random pickups today. Got from Family Dollar into Walmart. Let's start with the Family Dollar. Got a nice little set. Let's see how I can find out. Number one here. Got number one. This is called the Springtime set. Got the Fiat 500. It's just racing into spring, I guess. It's pretty neat. For number one, I'll find number two here. For number two, 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. About number three. What we got here? There we go. Got a little Mini Cooper Challenger, or Mini Cooper's Challenge. It's number three. Number four, got the Subaru Impreza WRX. It's pretty cool. That's about number five, and the last one. It's the custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback, which is on the cover of them all. Overall, not a bad little set, as you can see. Anyway, I thought it was pretty cool. And we got to see what we got from Walmart here. Let's see. Let's start with the Matchbox. Did pick up a few Matchbox. Got the 70 Datsun 510 Rally, which I thought was pretty neat. Then we got a little Toyota GR Supra. It's pretty cool. Look at the detail on it. Nice lights. Nice tail lights. Short card. Overall, pretty neat, don't you think? I did. And we've got a 22 Ford F-150 Lightning. It's not bad. We got a 24 Chevy Silverado EV. It's a pretty nice truck. I have to compare it to the Hot Wheels. And we got a 2021 Koenigsegg Gemera. How you pronounce that? It's pretty neat. Anyway, it's all of my Matchbox. They pick up a new for 2025 Street Shrieker. And then picked up Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. Let's see. Then we got a new for 2024 '67 Lotus Type 49 with the little man in there. Team Lotus. HW Race Day. Not too bad. Then we got an Action Comics. One of the first Superman comics to come out. Based on it. There's the old car. It's kind of heavy too. Heavy car. I don't see how Superman could have picked it up. It's so heavy. Real Riders. Action Comics #1. Be nice to have that comic book. I know that. Anyway, I thought it was pretty neat. Been looking for one a while. Finally found it. Anyway, that's my little pickup for this week. Really nothing much out there besides this cute little springtime set that I thought was pretty good. But anyway, check out all my videos, 1/64 scale racing. You never know what you're going to find on it. Please like and subscribe. Check back later. And we'll see you guys later. Thank you. See ya.